So I want to add points to a rotoscope in Nuke, and I will show you a couple ways to do it. When you're in your roto mode, you can select the rotoscope like so, and then on your keyboard select Control Alt and click on that red line, the roto, wherever you want the new point. That is one easy and fast way to do it. Now, another way is, if I get out of full screen by clicking spacebar, you can see your properties menu. If you do not see the red lines on your screen, you might not have the roto node opened, so just double click that and you'll see those red lines, and you'll see these little tools on the left hand side. Those are your roto tools. I'm just going to go back to full screen and make sure that my roto is selected, and now I see all my points. And now I'm going to go to this middle option here, add points, and now I can add a point wherever I want on that roto. And that's also good. Another little handy thing you can do is, if you have a point that's maybe not smooth and you want it to be smooth, you can select it and then go to this middle option here and go down to smooth points. And now if I select it, I can see that it's got those Bezier handles and I can smooth it out. Yeah, so that's about it. And if I want to delete any of these points, I can just select them and delete on the keyboard. That'll do it. Or you can delete them also with remove points here. Yeah, so that's important. I hope that you guys found this useful.